Hello everyone, welcome to the Furiously Curious Kids channel. I am Preeti here and we are going to look at blends on this beautiful day. In the last modules, we have been learning about the sounds of the letters in the alphabet, and I'm sure that by now all of you would be very comfortable with the letter sounds. Now we are going to take it a step further and we are going into step 2 in learning how to read, and that is blending different sounds of the letters in the alphabet to make and read and spell new words. So here we go. I welcome every one of you to the Furiously Curious Kids channel. All those who have supported by subscribing and by liking and by sharing, a big thank you to you. And to all my new viewers, this is a channel that is meant to help you teach your child. Please support, subscribe, like, share, and let me know what you feel about these classes. So, before we move on to blending, what is blending? Why do we blend? In our houses, we use mixies and grinders to blend two different individual things and make a brand new thing, right? Same way, we are going to blend or combine two individual sounds to form a new sound or a new word. Okay, so what would you need to start working on blends with your child? I would want you to have a few flashcards, or you can make your own flashcards by, writing the alphabet on chart paper. We will start with the letter A today, the vowel sound of A. And what is the vowel sound of A? What is the short vowel sound of A? Apple. We know that A makes the sound A. So the main flashcard that we need is a flashcard, and when you make the A flashcard, I want you to draw an apple in the center of the A, so that if your child cannot remember the sounds of the letters very clearly, he or she can just look at the flashcard, and when they see the A in the letter, they will know that it is apple, so it is A. So first flashcard would be a card for A with an apple in the center of the card. And then you will need cards for different consonants, simple, basic consonants. The same rule should apply to all the flashcards. B, bunny. So the sound is B. C, there is a cat. So the sound is K. So we give these pictures in the flashcard so that the child can remember the sound of the letter when he or she looks at the card. Okay, so that is it. And now if you don't want to make cards and if you don't want to work on your own, you can just show this video, and I am going to give you enough time for your child to read the blends on his own. Are you ready? Shall we start? So how are we going to do it? We are going to stack the two sets of cards side by side. If you do not want to use cards, you can even use a book and a pencil and write out, but then that would not be very interesting for the child. This would definitely be a better way. Okay, so here we go. This is the technique. Now remember, what we are going to do is we are going to teach the child the technique of reading and writing. We can easily teach them how to read and how to spell by rote. But then learning by rote is not the best way to learn, and that is definitely not the recommended way to learn. Children would do much better if they can look at a problem, analyze, think, understand, and then learn. So this is the better way of learning how to read and write, and it is very, very simple. I can guarantee you that. So here we go. This is how we do it. Okay, so here we go. We are going to start blending. Bunny, ba, ba, cat, 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 da, da. Girl, g, 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 a, ga, ga, ga. Hat, a, ha, ha, ha. This is a lamp, lamp. La, la, la. Monster. Do you see a monster? Ma, ma, ma. A puppy. P, 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 a, pa, pa, p, a, pa. Robber. A robber is running. Ra, ra, ra. And do you see a snake? Snake. Sa, sa, sa. A tall lady talking on a telephone. Tall. Ta, ta, ta. And a king. King. K, a, ka, 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 ka. Zebra. Za, za, za. So now, do you see how easy it is to blend? If you do not want to make the flashcards, you can use this video. Go back over and over again, and you can get the child to listen and practice on his own. Okay. Once we have done with A, E, I, O, U short vowel blends, I shall give you lots of games for practice for simple blending, and then we can move on to word. I'm sorry about the poor sound quality. I know the sound is not very clear and that there is a lot of background noise because it has been raining continuous non-stop at our place, and I have been waiting for the right time to do this video for you, but then it is just not possible. So please excuse the poor quality of the sound. And I hope this video adds value to your life and that you find it useful. Start working with your child on blends because it is always better for the child to get the basics very right. Okay? Only then should you go on to words and reading. Start from here. If you have not yet taught him how to blend and how to read phonetically, go back. Even if your child is in classes 3 and 4 and 5, it is okay. It is always better to learn how to read phonics. Okay? Have a good time. Enjoy learning. In 2 or 3 days time, I shall come back to you with now E blends. Okay? Practice this. Do this. Enjoy doing it. And may this be a blessing to you. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. But subscribe.